TSMC is plus 5.55% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 22nd, and today we are putting the spotlight on TSMC, the world's dominant semiconductor foundry. TSMC is up 5.55% to $424.61 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $413.56 and $425.40. The long-term fundamentals for TSMC revolve around AI chip demand, geopolitical risk in Taiwan, and advanced node capacity. Investor sentiment is being shaped by is TSMC still the undisputed king of AI chips, caveat AI. Let us look at the broader sector picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus, the Detroit News, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures slide with Alphabet, Tesla earnings on deck, Yahoo Finance. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.14% to $69.12. Equity markets are responding to reports that RKLB stock pops 9% after hours on $266 million Air Force win. Retail sees a space sector catalyst, TradingView. Neutron medium-lift rocket development is the key valuation catalyst. A successful first launch would dramatically expand the addressable market and justify a meaningful re-rating. Space Systems revenue from satellite components and manufacturing is a steady, often overlooked earnings base. Watch for any Neutron program update or new DoD launch contract. ASML surged plus 3.59% to $1,801.51 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that ASML shares fall after hiking sales forecast for second time this year on strong AI chip demand. High-NA EUV shipments are the growth engine. Demand from TSMC, Samsung, and Intel for the most advanced nodes is exceptional. The backlog visibility is multi-year. China export restriction risk is the key overhang. Any news on high-NA throughput improvements would be a catalyst. United Health made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.51% to $436.35. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why stock breakout faltered after massive earnings beat. Investors Business Daily. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $462.53 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Here is our analytical view on TSMC from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by is TSMC still the undisputed king of AI chips, caveat AI. AI chip demand has created a demand floor that insulates TSMC from the consumer electronics cycle. High-NA EUV ramp at N2 and beyond represents a technology advantage no competitor can replicate for years. Watch the next earnings call for any commentary on 2026 capacity allocation. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our spotlight on TSMC from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.